Technical Amritsar classes. Presents. Indian first happened. India's first nuclear reactor, APSARA. India's first nuclear submarine, INS CHAKRA. India's first submarine, INS KAVERI. India's first aircraft carrier, INS VIKRANT. India's first mid-range ballistic missile, the AGNI. India's first missile, PRITHVI. India's first nuclear center, Tarapur. India's first open university, Dr. Ambedkar University, Open University. India's first game held in 1951 at New Delhi. India's first ancient university, Nalanda University. India's first Doordarshan Center, the New Delhi Doordarshan Center. India's first serial, Hum Log, 7 July 1984. India's first telecolor film, Jhansi Ki Rani. India's first 3D movie, My Dear Kuttichathan. India's first sound movie, Gus Alam Ara, released 1931.